Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Mauricio again. Welcome to my channel. This is the best channel in YouTube to learn about dental veneers, composite or porcelain, okay? Today I want to show you in a real case. I like in this way, in a real person, because I do that thing that I talk in these videos, okay? I want to show you how to do a composite veneer over porcelain, okay? It's important to do this because many times people with crowns want or need a veneer to correct the shape or color of the porcelain veneer, okay? Pay attention and I go to teach you how to do the best composite veneer over porcelain crowns, okay? Pay attention. Okay, his or patient have a crown in the upper right central, but one veneer. We go to do composite veneers, okay? The first step is to rugging the surface of the veneer with a high speed burr. Can use the black or the blue color, a coarse burr, to remove the shining of the porcelain crown and for do better retention over the porcelain. Okay, it's important to put gum barrier before apply the acid. Fluorhydric acid is the name. This is a special acid to etch porcelain. Okay, remember, fluorhydric acid 8% and let in place for 20 seconds. Okay, need to take too much care in don't touch the gum. For this reason, need to use gum barrier. Okay, after the time you remove, first with a cotton rod, remove the most amount that you can do, and after this rinse very well, very well with water and dry very well. Apply gentle water over the porcelain crown to remove the excess of acid. Soak very well the saliva and the water, and after this dry and put the bonding. Okay, a normal bonding, I like to use single bond 3M, but are many good. Remember photo curing the bonding. And now the tooth, the porcelain tooth is ready for the composite. And you start to do the new shape that you wanna do. About the color, need to take a decision from many factors. Okay, one is if you want to change the color of all the teeth. Okay, if for example, if you wanna do a set of veneers but you have the porcelain crown, the most of the time you chose a white composite, a white color composite. For example, in this situation, I use a white color because I need to change the color of all the teeth. Okay, I go to do veneer in all the teeth. But in some situation, in different situation, you do the veneer only in the tooth with the crown. In this situation, you need to find the color, a color very similar to the other teeth. But in this situation, I go to do a set of veneers. For this reason, I use a very white color. Okay, and I start to do the new shape. Okay, remember with the veneers, we change three things: size, shape, and color. and in conjunction in all the teeth, we obtain a nice smile. Remember, your patient really don't want veneers. Your patient want a beautiful smile, okay? This is the aim of the cosmetic dentistry, is do smiles, don't do veneers, okay? And remember, in my channel is the best channel in the world for learn cosmetic dentistry and dental veneers, composite or porcelain. I do the world best class to learn about this. You can come here to my city and do a one-by-one class, or I go to your office to teach you all my technique. After finish the veneer, you do a finishing process. It's necessary. I start adjust the size with the black disc. This is a Shofu Super Snap black disc to remove the excess or composite and adjust the size. And as a second, after the black disc, I use the F-diacom system, starting with the pink and following for the white. My finishing and polishing process is a 3 steps process. Starting with this, with the black shampoo, with this I adjust the size and the shape. After the black shampoo this, I go to use the 2 wheels of the F-diacom system. I start with the pink. Okay, the pink work as an eraser, okay? And for eraser the junction lines, the mistakes that I do with my hands and with the spatula, okay? This is the eraser, the pink. And I finish with the white. The white is just for do shine, and remember, more time, more shine. I developed this system through many years of experiencing many materials, many equipment. Okay, now after finish all the veneers, okay, the patient have a new smile and have his porcelain. We finish. Now you know that you can do composite veneer over porcelain crown, okay? This is important because in this way you can solve many situations, okay? The most of the time the people think that need to change the porcelain crown for the composite veneer. But if you have a good crown with good adaptation, this is a way to solve cosmetic problems, okay? The key point, remember, is the fluorhydric acid, okay? This is the key factor, but handle it with care because the fluorhydric acid is dangerous for the soft tissues, okay? Use with caution, okay? And just follow my channel, subscribe to my channel to see more videos with good recommendation about cosmetic dentistry, okay? And remember, you can take my class here in Colombia, or I go to your office to do the world best veneers class, okay? Goodbye.